Everyone's shots are on blue paper for the most part, which is good. So now we're gonna make the target smaller for you guys. Alright, so we're gonna do what's called do a throttle drill, or you want to do flying V? You can do that. What time is it? It is 10:41. Throttle drill? Yeah, with the headshot. Yeah. Alright, next up we're gonna do a throttle drill. Pretty similar to the El Presidente. So instead we're gonna modify this and we're gonna have you shoot 2 shots to the left target, then transition and shoot over to the head box target only. I want your goal is to shoot at this credit card zone only. What comes from here is height of performance. So remember what Dave was talking about? My rifle is here and my sights are above it. I need to be right over here in order for me to hit the actual index card zone over here. Okay? So 2 shots here, 2 shots to the head, 2 shots back to the body, and then transition over to pistol. Again, 2 shots to the body, 2 shots again to the head, and then 2 shots to the body over here. Okay?
The reason why we call this a throttle control drill is because this is a nice open target, right? I can go really fast on this. I have to slow down and actually refine my aiming point, see my sights, so that I get a good shot here, all right? And then I can go right back to fast here, all right? Then we're transitioning to pistol, same thing. So it's learning how to, like, smaller, more precise targets, you really have to learn how to slow yourself down, control your speed, get that refined aiming point before you pull the trigger. Right? Yes.
Any breathing technique?
I usually breathe normally, but this drill is going to go so fast that you can shoot all of it sort of in a respiratory pause. So, bang, 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 bang. Right? So on the top of the breath is kind of where I shoot. All right? So, yeah. You don't want to be breathing up and down for the whole thing. If you're taking a long time for this, then you may need to take another breath. Bang, bang. All right? Yep.
Alright, so for the round count on this, we're going to need 3 rifle mags of 6 and 3 pistol mags of 6. Alright, go ahead, load up and come back when you're done.
Okay.
However, we are incorporating that small head box target right there. We're gonna have you guys try to aim for that index card that's in the center of the head. So again, we were talking about height over bore. Just so you guys are aware, you have to possibly aim at least at the top of the head or even higher, floating above it, in order for you guys to get your hits where you need to. You can see right over here where David was shooting earlier. I believe you're holding right here. So he has all this distance from the center of this A box to where my thumb is to hold over. So if I bring that up and shift it, his dot should have technically been right over here. Okay. So again, with the throttle control, we're gonna have you shoot fast on this one, slow down, shoot 2 on this as accurately as you can, and then speed back up and shoot 2 rounds on here. That's gonna be for your rifle and then for your pistol. Okay. All right, so Dave's gonna demo it again. So eyes and ears.
Ears.
And then we will load the pistol, so mine's already on.
Load your rifle.
Slow speed?
No, just slow.
Okay.
So at a slow speed, shooter ready. Stand by. Saw that. You had to slow down, make sure he had good sight picture, and the dot was where he needed it to be before he broke the shot. Sped back up and engage the target. Okay.
Medium speed?
Yep. We'll do it one more time. Moderate speed. Ready. Stand by. Sense, everybody? All right, go ahead. Once your pistol is loaded, load your rifle.
ready. Bye. Did it that time. I know. Then bump your magazines up. RSOs, thumbs up and ready. Slow down on those headshots, make it on that green. Oh yeah, went a little bit high. Shooters ready! Stand by! Last rep. RSOs, thumbs up and ready.
You gonna stay after?
No.
Or you gonna leave?
Yeah, because I worked all night and then I can't do that.
Stand by. You are finished. Unload RSO.
I bumped the slide. Yeah.
RSO. Wing clear. Thumbs up. Line's clear. Shooters, pick up your mags. Step off line.
The last few hits, I was the rifle. That was good.
I just needed some warm up.
Yeah. One, off line. Two, up on the line.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
You know how to shoot the above, yeah?
Yeah, I know you forgot.
Everybody is online. Check the line. Thumbs up and ready. Red clear. Load your pistol. Once your pistols are loaded, load your rifle. Pistol? You did it left to right or right to left?
Yeah,
Right.
by mistake I overshot it and I went left, 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 right, and then went
Yeah, I
center.
saw it. But that way you practice speeding up and slowing down.
Yeah. I was holding over on my pistol, and I know I should.
Up above, yeah.
I drew this at 15, so I'm like way lower than I should be. So this time I'm like literally missing everything. I'm gonna try to go aim higher this time. Yeah, it's like, because I already put it up like 15 clicks, so I need maybe 5. Seven yards?
Shooters ready! Stand by! Safety on? Yep. Alright, when he calls it, control the muzzle and pick up your magazines.
I put the pistol in.
Yeah, both of mine are geared at 15. It's just the drill I really like. The muscle memory and all that.
Alright, line's clear!
It's like now I feel like 5 minutes. Muscles.
Alright, good job. Reload your pistol. Keep it pointed down range. Back forward. Alright, check your rifle. Can you reload? I can reload. Alright, holster your pistol, reload your rifle. Watch that middle finger. Road up again. Glue that to the pistol grip. Yeah, doesn't leave that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I just, he just needs to
Over here. Good. Alright, think of the process of what you're going to do. Ready! Stand by! Reload your pistol. Finger off the trigger. Alright, check your rifle. Can you reload it? Alright, close to your pistol.